Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the ringtone button panel, and if we'll just move this button panel, by this way we'll enable the silent mode, and silent mode is means that will silence calls and notifications. But by this way we'll mute not only notifications, right? So if you want to stay with the calls or ringtones and mute only notifications, I suggest you to just click here to the notifications section. Here click to the more and switch your currently notification sound just here to don't set ringtone, and now by this way we'll mute our notifications, but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.